Okay, I've got the old door off, doorknobs off, the stop, all hinges are off, and over here, the new door, which I will be painting before installing it on. Okay, everything's marked. Got the hinges marked, the lock, the doorknob, the other hinge, and it's been cut to length already. Okay, the door has been cut, doorknob's in, other side, the hinges are good. Okay, the door has been cut, just about ready for painting. Got the bottom on, got the holes drilled out, and the hinges are ready to be put on after painting. We'll be back. Okay, the door's painted, just waiting for it to dry, and then we install it. Okay, the door is dry, hardware's been put on. Now we're doing the final, putting the door on. Okay, we brought the door down. Now we're going to install this door, and we'll see if it works. Be back at you. Okay, the door has been put on the hinges. Now here's the ultimate test. Door closes.